If you're experiencing login issues with your Spotify Premium account, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching to a different network or resetting your router if necessary. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Double-check that you are entering the correct email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link on the login page to reset it. Step 3. Update the Spotify app. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear cache and data. If you are using the app, clearing the cache and data can help resolve login problems. Go to your device settings, find the Spotify app, and select the option to clear cache and data. Restart the app afterward. Step 5. Contact Spotify support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Spotify's customer support for assistance. They can provide further troubleshooting and help resolve any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues with your Spotify Premium account. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from Spotify's support team.